Nextbase 622GW Dashcam Review. Did you know that a dashcam could do more than just capture footage? It could be the difference between finding a hit-and-run driver and getting the peace of mind that comes with knowing your location is always tracked. Today, we're diving into the Nextbase 622GW Dashcam, a 4K camera designed to offer crystal-clear recordings and some serious tech-savvy features. Welcome back to Autovated. Let's break down what makes the 622GW stand out from the pack. Product overview. The Nextbase 622GW packs a punch with ultra-clear 4K recording at 30 FPS. This makes it a fantastic option for drivers who want to capture fine details such as license plates with utmost clarity. You also have the option for 1440p at 60 FPS or 1080p at 20 FPS if you prefer a smoother frame rate. Paired with a rear camera module that records 1080p at 30 FPS, this dashcam ensures comprehensive coverage of your car from multiple angles. The real kicker? It features What 3 Words integration for precise location recovery, even offline. Whether you're dealing with an emergency or need to pinpoint your location, this feature makes the 622GW a safety net in uncertain situations. The image stabilization system reduces vibrations for smoother footage, helping you catch crucial details clearly. Plus, its night vision enhancement and extreme weather mode ensure you can get a clear view even in foggy or low-light conditions. Let's not forget Alexa built-in for hands-free convenience while driving. I've researched expert reviews, user feedback, and even checked out the competition to give you a complete breakdown. Key features: ultra-clear 4K at 30 FPS, perfect for capturing those important details like number plates and road signs. What 3 Words location tracking ensures that emergency services or friends can locate you, even when you have no data. Image stabilization helps reduce vehicle vibrations for smooth footage. Alexa built-in, control your smart home, get directions and more, hands-free. Real-world usage, setting up the 622GW was a breeze. The camera connects to your car via the provided mounting system and syncs with your phone via Wi-Fi. It's intuitive to operate, and the image stabilization worked wonders in my test, even during bumpy drives on rough roads. The quality of the 4K footage was crystal clear, allowing me to read every number plate even at a distance. What I really loved was the night vision. I tested it during a late-night drive, and it made the difference between barely visible footage and a perfectly clear recording. The extreme weather mode was also impressive, clearing up fog and giving me a much better view of the road in misty conditions. Pros and cons. Pros: stunning 4K video quality. What 3 Words integration for precise location sharing. Image stabilization for smooth, clear footage. Enhanced night vision and weather performance. Alexa integration for hands-free convenience. Cons: slightly more expensive compared to lower-tier models. Some users report a slow startup time when the camera first powers on. While the 4K quality is fantastic, it can consume a significant amount of storage space. Value for money. At a higher price point, the Nextbase 622GW offers a solid set of features that make it a strong contender for those looking for top-tier dashcam performance. When you factor in the added peace of mind from What 3 Words, image stabilization, and hands-free Alexa commands, it's definitely worth considering, especially for those who prioritize safety and clarity. Comparison with competitors. Compared to alternatives like the Garmin Dashcam 66W, the 622GW offers superior video quality with 4K recording, whereas the Garmin model focuses on a more compact design. The Nextbase also takes the lead with What 3 Words integration, something not commonly found in other models. However, the Garmin's price point is lower, which could be a deciding factor for budget-conscious buyers. Build quality and longevity. The 622GW's build quality feels solid with high-end plastic and a sleek finish. While long-term data is still being compiled, Nextbase's reputation for reliability in the dashcam industry suggests this product will hold up well over time. Customer support. I didn't have to reach out to customer support, but Nextbase's reputation for customer service is strong, with many users praising their responsiveness to inquiries about installation and setup. The product also comes with a 2-year warranty, which is reassuring. Who it's for. The Nextbase 622GW is ideal for tech-savvy drivers, those who frequently travel in poor weather conditions, or anyone looking for top-tier video quality for insurance purposes or peace of mind. It's probably overkill for the occasional commuter, but for long road trips or drivers in high-traffic areas, it's an excellent investment. Conclusion: strong option. If you value clear video quality, safety, and convenience, the Nextbase 622GW is a standout choice in its class. Its enhanced features like image stabilization and Alexa integration make it a powerful tool for both safety and ease of use. For most buyers, this dashcam will be a fantastic choice. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, you might want to consider the Garmin 66W, but be prepared to sacrifice some of the high-end features. Midway CTA. If this review is helping you stay on the road to fresh, high-quality product insights, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link in the comments box if you're interested in picking up the 622GW. Feel free to share your thoughts or experiences if you already own this camera. Goodbye until next time, and remember, keep it autovated.